Next concept is neutralization reaction. What is the meaning of neutralization reaction? The reaction between acid is react with base to form salt and water. So that is called as neutralization reaction. So how can you explain the neutralization reaction? Suppose let us take a test tube. The test tube contains a small amount of sodium hydroxide solution is taken in the test tube. Add a small amount of phenolphthalein indicator. Add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator is added in the test tube. To form the solution, the color of the solution is pink color. So how can you say that here pink color is formed? Already you know that when bases react with phenolphthalein indicator, color of the solution is pink color. So simply we can understand that when phenolphthalein solution is added to the basic substance, pink color solution is formed. So when pink color solution is formed, on that time when you add a small amount of HCl solution in the beaker, the pink color can be disappeared. Colorless solution is formed. Here colorless solution is formed. So once again, when phenolphthalein added to the basic substance, pink color solution is formed. On the time when you add small amount of HCl solution in the beaker, so the pink color can be disappear. A colorless solution is formed. Again, when you add NaOH solution in the beaker, again the pink color can be appears in the test tube. So what is the reason behind one time pink color is formed and one time colorless solution is formed? Is there any reason? Yes. So the reason is only the neutralization reaction. So first one, you have to add phenolphthalein indicator is added to the basic substance, pink color solution is formed. Again, when HCl solution is added to the pink color solution, so the pink color solution can be disappear because of when sodium hydroxide, HCl is completely dissolved in NaOH solution, so the pink color can be disappear, colorless solution is formed. On that time you can understand the word is the basic nature is nullified. That means when base is completely dissolved in HCl, that's why colorless solution is formed. Again, when you add a few drops of NaOH solution in the test tube, so here basic nature is increased. So when basic nature is increased, the pink color solution can be appeared in the test tube. So that's why we can write as when acid is react with base to form salt and water. We can write the chemical equation is an acid. We have to take an acid is HCl solution and we have to take basic substance is NaOH. So HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl and water is formed. So NaCl is the salt and H2O is the water. Finally, we can conclude that when acid is react with base to form salt and water, so this is the neutralization reaction.